If you're facing corrupted game files detected in Valorant, now this tutorial will guide you on how to fix this problem. Now what you need to do, just close the game, which is Valorant. Now press Window plus R on your keyboard and then type %local app data %, then click OK. Now look for the Riot Games folder, so go to R. Now here the Riot Games folder, make sure to open this. You will see this Valorant. Now in most cases, this Valorant folder inside the Riot Games is corrupted. So you'll have to delete this Valorant folder. After deleting this Valorant folder, now come back. Now you'll see inside the logo here. Now inside the logo, also scroll down, look for the Valorant folder. Also make sure to delete this Valorant folder. After deleting these folders, now close this. And then what you need to do, just open the Riot client. And then try to open Valorant until you see that the issue can be resolved. If you're still experiencing the same issue despite deleting the folders, now do this. Inside the Riot client, just select your profile and then click on settings. Now on settings, select Valorant, and then inside Valorant, make sure to select here repair. So select repair. This will scan your installation and the repair missing or corrupted files. After finishing the repair, then you can close this. You'll come here and you'll see the option to play the game. Now I'm just verifying the files, that's why you don't see an option to play, but after the verification has finished, you'll see an option here just like this which says play, and the issue should just be resolved. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching the video and see you next time.